Ito po kami magla-lunch. Yung bag ko nasa likod. Kukunin ko to, meron siyang lobster. Sabi ng biyanan siya daw magbabayad. Pinya, Pinada. Mag-injection na lang ako. Okay guys, tignan yung aking pagkain. Talaga naman masayang masaya. Magandang umaga po. Umaga pa, wala pa ng tanghali. Today po kasi mayroon po kami birthday kasi ni mother-in-law on the 22nd or 23rd. Kaya lang medyo hindi ko alam anong plano namin, pero today kasi nagki-crave po siya ng crabs. So pupunta po kami ng ng Red Lobster. Gusto niya pumunta doon. So sabi ko sa asawa ko, huwag tayong pupunta ng tanghali kasi madaming tao. Alam mo naman ang Red Lobster laging maraming tao. So ang pupunta tayo between 2 to 3. Bukas pa naman sila, of course. Hindi naman 24 hours. They're open at 11 o'clock until 10 ng gabi. So anyway, so ngayon, yung binili po namin sa Rome, nalala nyo, meron po akong vlog doon na may binili po kami mosaic painting. Kasi una-unang mosaic painting na bili namin mag-asawa is 10 years ago, nandun kami sa Rome, bumili po kami ng isang mosaic na worth 4,800. So this year, nung nasa Rome kami, bumili siya ng 3,500. So ngayon, actually nung original noon, para sa kay mother-in-law sana yon. Kaya lang, sabi ko, ang ganda, mahal, ang ganda sa atin na lang, sabi ko. Tapos, salbahe, no? Ngayon, we decided yung resurrection, kasi yung binili namin is like, is a resurrection mosaic. Nakagano si Jesus Christ, nakatingin siya sa taas. Ngayon, balak namin ibigay namin sa kanya sa 90th birthday niya. Kaso, wala po akong gusto na asawa ko i-wrap. Kasi, nakaano na yun eh. Nung binili namin, hindi namin dala. I-ship nila sa amin. Ngayon, kasi yung mosaic na yan, ipapabless pa kay Pope Benedict. So ngayon, pag kay Pope Benedict, may certification yon, tapos doon sa likod, ilalagay sa likod din eh. So binalot nila. So natanggap namin, balot na. Sabi ko, ba't hindi na lang ganyan? Hindi daw maganda. Ganon ang asawa ko. Kailangan formal na nakalagay sa isang birthday wrapper. Oo, ganyan po ang asawa ko. So pupunta po ako ngayon sa pero at the same time, gawin ko na yung plano ko, kasi mag-vlog ako kasi meron ako ibibigay kay Chuchen sa kanyang bedroom. At the same time, bibilang ko rin yung anak ni Madam na si Tabebong. Well, isama na natin yung anak niyang ano pangalan na anak ni Marvin Jr. yung anak niya lalaki, yon. Tapos at the same time, bibili na rin ako ng mga bagay na, kasi meron po akong maglilinis po ako ng cabinet po. Abangan niyo po yun. Tapos anyway, papunta na ako ngayon. Alam niyo, madali lang sana kung nandiyan pa sa tabi namin, which is 3 or 4 blocks away, ang Fred Meyer. Wala na ho, sinara na. I don't know kung ano gagawin nila sa Fred Meyer. It's an old building na. So, pupunta ako ngayon wala akong choice kundi sa Target, which is ilang minutes away, malapit sa opisina ko. At the same time, kunin ko na rin doon sa opisina ko. Meron pala akong mga shopping kahapon sa Nordstrom. Hindi pa po ako maalis kasi nalala ko meron po akong shopping sa Nordstrom. meron ako na sa Nordstrom kahapon. It's Friday kahapon, nagpamasahe at nagpa-pedicure po ako. At the same time, tapos nakakatawa. May kikwento pala ako sa inyo. Kahapon nandun ako, magpapamasahe at saka pedicure ako. Tapos at the same time, pick upin ko yung in-order ko sa Joe Malone. Dumating mga kliyente ko, nakita nila ako. At the same time, sabi ko, punta kayo sa Joe Malone. So, all the while, akala ko mapepedicure ako, hindi natuloy. So, nakita kami lahat sa Joe Malone. Tapos yung isa kong kliyente, na 19 years na po siya sa akin. Birthday niya, kaya pala sila nandoon kumain sa Cheesecake Factory, tapos nagpunta sila sa Nordstrom. Sabi ko, sige, sabi ko, regalo ko na lang. Kasi meron kasi, yung pinakita ko sa isang vlog ko, yung Joe Malone na yung may citrus, yung beetroot, carrots ba yun? Basta butternut. Tatlo yan yung yellow, red, at saka green. So, parang gano'n. So anyway, isa lang binili niya. So sabi ko, ikumpleto mo na yun ang regalo ko sa kanya, sabi ng iba kong kliyente. Ay, paano naman kami? Sabi ko, beat the 19 years. 19 years na siya sa akin. Loyal. Tapos ito pa, isa pa ikakwento ko. So, after that, bago ko pupunta sa masahe ko, gusto kong bumili ng juice, yung favorite kong juice na pomegranate. Nakikita niyo pag ako yung nagva-vlog, may iniinom ako ng kulay red, ha? Pomegranate tea yun. Nung bumili ako doon, sabi niya, are you gonna, what size? Sabi niya, I want the largest one, sabi ko. I usually buy that in, yung ganyang kalaki, ganyang kadami. Sabi niya, wait a minute, sabi nung kahero, what's your name? Marie. Alam mo, bigla sabi niya, guys, this is Marie! Alam niyo, popular pala ako doon kasi actually, every day po, since last week, ilang weeks na, every day po kami, kasi mainit yun ang gustong-gusto namin, kaysa doon sa Starbucks. So, mas gusto namin yung sa Nordstrom E-Bar. So, yun ang binibili ko at saka alam nila, pag 5 o'clock on the dot, bumibili na ako sa DoorDash. So, tapos lahat sila tinignan, hi Marie! Tapos kilala pala ako. So anyway, sabi niya, wait a minute. You used to buy too. I know, but I'm only here later. Tapos, hindi na ako pumunta doon kasi ang hirap magbitbit. Tingnan niyo itong bitbit ko. May dalawa pa doon na mabibigat na binili ko kasi sale ngayon sa Nordstrom. Bumibili po ako ng yung mga maliliit na na perfume na hindi mo mabibili yan only when there's siguro ipapakita ko din sa inyo kasi naka-box yun naka-box. Bumibili ako kasi uwi ang Pilipinas, bibigay ko sa mga sisters ko, so anyway, popular pala ako. So bumili ako, pagdating ko, pagkaupo ko dito sa kotse, nag-order na ako. Tapos dumating kasi pizza night namin kahapon. So gusto ng asawa ng pizza at saka yun. Nakakatuwa. Naging popular ako. Curious, sino yung Marie ako? Nagpakita ako, ay, you're Marie! And I was like, hi Marie! Kaya ngayon, pagpupunta ako doon, physically, kilala na nila ako. Okay, papasok na tayo sa... Ano ko papasok? Pasok na tayo sa Target. Sa Target tayo mag-grocery. Ay, magsha-shop. Alam niyo ho, ito yung favorite na tindahan ni Small Loud So every time pupunta po siya sa Amerika, pansin ko, sa Target ho siya nagpupunta. Kamuna tayo ng ating create your own bag tag. Oh.
We have stickers as well.
So are we gonna go buy oh, look at that. This is nice. That's for a kid.
Yeah, we're just giving it away today. That's all.
That's what I'm doing. I want to buy some stuff for my subscribers' kids in the Philippines.
Yeah, so we have a lot of this in the back left corner of the store. So just
okay.
Yep. So if you
like
want
this
to, of course.
Yeah.
So take a look. We have plenty. Okay.
Okay. And I'm vlogging it.
No, you're okay.
Thank you. Ayan, papunta na tayo. Teka muna, bagong lahat. Unahin ko muna yung purpose ba't ako nandito. Bibili po ako ng ang gaganda ho, di ho ba? Ang ganda kasi po talaga dito sa Target. No wonder gustong gusto to ni Small Loud Pupunta po rin ako dyan para sa mga okay, sandali lang. Ito talaga, bibili po ako ng, tingnan nyo naman lang, bibili po ako ng ganyan. Parang pambata ho yan. Bibili ako sa medyo, sa mga kasi edad ng biyanan ko. Hanap tayo. Hanap muna ako. Okay, andito na po kami sa Red Lobster. Kagagaling ko lang kanina sa Target, pero hindi ko na po i-video kung anong binili ko sa Target. Ayan na po ang mag-ina. Sila po ay dito po kami ay teka pala, yung bag ko nasa likod. Okay, dito po kami magla-lunch. Actually, lunch 3 o'clock na. So, ang gusto kasi ni mother-in-law, kumain ng crabs. Tadaan! Sana makakuha sila ng upuan. Bihira kasi minsan. Buksan natin to. Tatang. Ano naman another? Yeah. Puwa tayo na. Okay. There are some people. So ganito itsura ng ng Red Lobster. May iba dyan, hindi na nila inaan. So tignan nyo guys. May mga lobsters. Kakain po tayo ng lobster. Kanina nagtatalo ang mag-ina kasi gusto nila siyang magbayad. Kaso sabi ng biyanan ko, hello mom. So it's my mom's 90th birthday. Pre-birthday celebration. So we're gonna have crab fest. Oh, okay. This is the first restaurant that we ate when I came here, remember? When I decided to marry this guy. This is where Dad said, remember Dad, when Dad was still alive, we ate here.
It's been a long time.
I know, I remember that was 21 years ago.
Oh my God.
And that's like in June.
21 years.
Yeah, when I came here in June, there. This is how we went to Red Lobster. But when I was working in LA, it's because I don't make that much money. I have to work a lot of overtime in order for me to eat. We eat so with my roommate. So nakaupo na po kami. Order na.
Looks like something mixed in with noodles. Where'd you see that?
Oh, they have the crab fest. Oh, it's in the middle.
Oh, there's 2 sides to this.
Here, Mom. Did you see that?
I did the one on the mushrooms.
Oh my gosh. Choose your flavor. Seafood boils. I think I'm gonna eat this one.
They got crab-topped asparagus,
They have, oh my goodness.
crab-topped baked potato, and crab-topped mashed potatoes.
They also have a lobster too. Are you gonna, for sure, somebody here wants lobster.
Hey,
Ultimate fish, what?
I need of course I left the glasses in the car.
I knew it. You want my glasses?
But I need to pick out,
Which one? Kasi guys, kung kukunin ko yung crab fish, ito. Crabs lang. Pag kinuha ko itong, kukunin ko to, meron siyang lobster. Sabi ng biyanan siya daw magbabayad kasi kakain ka. Hindi kami papayag. Kami magbabayad dito. Ladies and gentlemen,
What does that one taste like?
you wanna try?
Yeah, I just want to sip. That's all I want.
Okay.
Because I've never had one. That would be okay.
Guys, this is Sunset
Margarita.
Passion Colada.
It's called the Lava Flow.
Mahilig po ako sa piña colada. Piña
It
colada.
doesn't look too big.
Ang difference lang po dito is may strawberry.
Yeah, it's a small one. I like it.
Tara,
That's yours.
mag-injection na lang ako. Alam mo, gutom na ako kanina pa ako. The last I ate, breakfast was 9
That's
o'clock.
rich and it's big.
Yeah.
It's delicious, but that's really filling if you're having
He said the pina colada that I have before is they put cherries on it, but this one has really piña, the pineapple. Good.
Calamari?
Meron kaming queso and with that is so good. The calamari is good. Nag-order po ako ng calamari kasi si asawa marami siyang allergy. This is the first time I have this one. This is the crab, the queso, part of the crab fest. It's really good. Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you so much.
How did you reach 90 years old, Mom?
Well, I hate to say this, but I'm not very happy about it because, I mean, I think it's so fortunate that so many people live to be this age. I just like staying where I'm at.
Yeah.
I don't want to get any older.
How old is your mom died, Mom? She's already 90 years old too, right?
She
93.
She was in her 90s when she died, I think. And I have never really checked her death certificate to see for sure. But I believe she was in her 90s.
Looks like on the side of your mom,
Oh, my dad.
Have a
My
long-
dad died in his 40s. I think he was only about 45 when he got a brain tumor. He wasn't that old. And then my brother got one about the same age. And
he got sick though.
he got a brain tumor too.
Oh,
And he ended up dying of it. And he was in his 40s.
wow.
Yeah.
Oh.
I miss my brother.
That's your
My
sister.
brother and I were very close. People don't understand that there was such a gap in our age. But my brother took me golfing. He took me hunting. He took me to the lake. We went duck hunting. He took me everywhere. And there was such a gap in our age, but you know what? We got along so good, and I loved him to death. He was handsome, he was nice, and he was a beautiful brother. My sisters, they didn't have anything to do with me.
That's your sister, Beth. Beth is still alive?
No.
Oh.
And I called her kids to ask what she died from, and they never even returned the call. My other sister had poisoned my sister against me, so that she didn't have anything to do with me, and she believed everything my sister said. They thought I was using my mom, and she poisoned my other sister against me. And it was so wrong. I took care of my mom for 10 years, for God's sake. I never asked her for a dime. Never asked her for a dime for all the gas that I was doing, running around or anything. Never asked her for a dime. I just cared about her and wanted to make sure she was okay. But my other sister was so jealous. She was so jealous of me, always. When I was born, she was the youngest one in the family, and she got all the attention. When I was born, I took the attention away from her. And she used to fight with me. My mother'd be at work, and she'd start beating up on me and everything. My sister,
Gloria beat it.
Gloria, she'd slap me around and everything, and my mom would come home from work and I'd tell her what she did, and she'd get after her, but it didn't do any good. Gloria, she had a bad marriage, and she wasn't happy in it, and she took it out on everybody else.
At least you're friends with her daughter, Linda.
And Linda, no, this is so weird. When Linda was living down there at the canal, her daughter doesn't even speak to her. Her daughter has nothing to do with her. She had asked her for money at one time, and Linda didn't give it to her, and she won't have anything to do with her. So that's why Linda wanted to go live where her son was, because her son always treated her good. The thing that really breaks my heart is that she has lost all association with me. Never calls, never sends messages. I have called her and sent her money for her birthday and different things. Never hear from her. She has.
Okay guys, tignan yung aking pagkain. Talaga naman masayang masaya. Kakain na po. Ayun kung gaano ko katakaw. Done! I'm done!
He's
Tignan nyo.
a lawn specialist, so
Tignan nyo po naubos ko. Tapos tinulungan ko pa yung asawa kong mag-cut ng kanyang
I think he needs to have his ears examined.
I'm fine. Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday!
It's a good
must
lunch
enjoyed yourself.
today. My hubby has mas malaki sa akin kasi kasi boiled sa kanya. It's done. It's almost done. Napaano pa yung kanyang napinawisan siya.
The next time you
Pinawisan siya sa pagganon.
come around, ask him to remove that.
This one.
The next time they come around,
Okay.
and I'm going to ask
I'm
them.
done.
I need to go now.